What you have to do is you add the frequency to fight fibroid to 3 times every month. Welcome to my channel once again. This Plant Lifestyles. Do you want to say goodbye to what? Spiritual marriage. There are some people, when they have dreams, they will be sleeping with people, and then people will be sleeping with them, having affairs with them. This is a spiritual attack, and then spiritual marriage. Sometimes if a woman, you get a lot of diseases that are not curable. Sometimes you get a gonorrhea, you get some kind of illness, you'll be treating there, and then you will not be getting the what? The remedy for it. Today I'm going to show you how to stop this spiritual marriage, spiritual partners, the spiritual attacks, and then all those kind of spiritual husbands. And even if you're a man and then you have a spiritual wife, you have a spiritual attack in your dreams, subscribe to my channel, like my video. Here I teach how to use plant to heal ourselves spiritually and what? Physically. I show their physical benefit and their spiritual benefit. Today I have in my hand white castor leaf. This white castor leaf is very beneficial and very powerful in treating what? Spiritual attacks, spiritual marriages, and spiritual miscarriages. There are some people, they will just get pregnant, fine, but when they will get a dream, someone will come and sleep with them, and then the pregnancy will what? Destroy, and then what? Spoil. They will not move up, the pregnancy will not move up to become a matured baby. So I'm going to show you a way to stop this spiritual husband and then the spiritual attacks, and then be free in your life. Let's stay tuned to the end of the video. So basically I'm going to use this castor leaf to make a decoction for bathing. Yes, for bathing. So once you get this castor leaf, you are going to get 7 leaves. So this is 1 leaf and this is 2nd leaf. So you are going to get 7 leaves. Once you get 7 leaves, you are going to get a big bucket, and then we are going to mash it inside so that the color of the water will turn to green. Once the color of the water turns to green, we are going to add some oils or perfume to improve the function of this leaf, this castor leaf. Yes, we are going to add to some perfumes to charge it, to remove negative energy completely from our life. When you go to hospital, doctor will give you medicine. He will give you different kinds of medicine to attack a special illness, because you have different branches of some illness. Example, malaria. When malaria comes, you get a symptoms of headache and body pains and all those kinds of things. In the same way, when the spiritual attacks come, you have to attack it from different dimensions. So I have in my hand this castor leaf. You're going to get 7 and get a bucket of water. Once you get a bucket of water, you're going to get this oil. When you want to get this oil, you can, or this is a perfume. All right, this is what? A Bent El Sudan perfume. This one is the big bottle, and then this one is the oil. This one, you have the Bent El Sudan oil. Yes, this is the oil. You have the one with red lid here, and have the one with green. This section, you have one of them with green, and this one you have red section. So you are going to get this perfume or this cologne, and then you get this what? Oil. So once you mash this in water, you are going to get the full lid of this one and pour it in the lid till the lid is full, and pour it in your water. So once you pour it in your water, you are going to just bath with it. So we are going to repeat this every evening for 7 days. Only evening alone, when we are going to sleep, it should be your last bath. So once you get 7 leaves, you mash it in your water fresh, and then you pour the lid of this one. You have big one, you have the one which is even bigger than this there. So if you are find yourself wherever in the world and then you want to order, you can order from me. My number is on the screen. Just WhatsApp me, let's talk, and then I'll deliver to you wherever you are. So this perfume is going to be added to the water, the mixture, and then we are going to use to bath. When you reach the bathroom, you are going to lay your hand on it. You are going to pray. You are going to speak on the water that any spiritual husband, any spiritual miscarriage, any spiritual sex, any spiritual thing, anything that is fighting my spiritual life, my marriage, everything, we are going to bring an end to it Once you finish bathing, you come to the room. If you are going to sleep, you get this mint oil Sudan oil. You are going to rub it on your body before sleeping. You are going to repeat this 7 days. And then these things are things that this evil spirit don't like, they dislike. So you are going to use this on your body. It is going to make your body resistant to them. They will not come closer to you again. They are going to live your life alone. Yes, on this channel, I teach how to get benefit from plants and also overcome spiritual things. Please subscribe, like the video, send to your friend, just share this video to your friends for your friends to also get benefits from it. Let's subscribe to the channel, comment anything you don't understand. If you want to order anything, if you have any spiritual problem that you want to tell me, if not I've not described it on this channel or I've not made a video on it, you can tell me and then I'll just handle it from there. If only I can handle it. Doing spiritual work doesn't mean I can handle everything, but there are some things that I know how to use, herbs, oils, perfumes to also overcome them. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video. Thank you.